अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। हाय एवरीवन एंड होप यू हैविंग अ ग्रेट डे। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोग बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे और आपका अच्छे दिन का आगाज़ शुरू हो चुका होगा। तो आज मैं छोटी सी वीडियो लाई हूँ आप लोगों के लिए और ये हैं एजुकेशनल बेस्ड। तो चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। और मुझे किसी ने यहाँ पे कमेंट किया था, वो कमेंट में मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगी और फिर उससे रिलेटेड ही मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ जो है वीडियो का आगाज़ करूँगी। यहाँ पे मेरे चैनल का लिंक है, आप प्लीज़ चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, एफबी को भी फॉलो कीजिएगा। और ये जो था वो मुझे सुमैया गुल ने यहाँ पे जो है एक कमेंट किया था कि शेयर मोर पेपर ऑफ टीजीटी। तो मैं यहाँ पे उन्हीं के मुतालिक एक पेपर जो है वो मैंने यहाँ पे सर्च किया और उसके मुतालिक ही मैं उसकी कीज़ जो है एक्सपेक्टेड वो आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो आइए चलते हैं अपने पेपर की तरफ। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ टीजीटी इज़ ट्रेंड ग्रेजुएट टीचर्स फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से ये पेपर लिया जाता है और फुली सॉल्व यहाँ पे मॉडल पेपर मेरे पास मौजूद हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहले इंग्लिश आती है, वोकैबुलरी टेस्ट। ईच वर्ड इज़ फॉलोइंग बाय 4 प्रोबेबल आंसर A, B, C and D. You should choose the correct meaning of the word out of the 4 choices. So we start from the number 1 notorious, and the expected key is A, which is well known for some bad quality. Number 2 consummate, and number C perfect is the correct answer. Incorrigible, number B beyond reform. So number 4 is glib, and the expected key is B fluent. Number 5 is myopic, and expected key is B near-sighted. Sentence completion, each sentence below has 1 or 2 blanks. Each blank show that something has been omitted. Choose the correct answer from the 4 answer choosing given with each questions numbered A, B, C, D. So we are started from number 6. Viruses are invisible through the dash microscope, but we know that they are there because we can see the dash they cause. तो यहाँ पे D is the correct answer, which is ordinary havoc. Next is number 7. The sea was coming after me as high as a great hill and dash as a dash enemy. तो यहाँ पे A is the correct answer, which is furious charging. Number 8 is all through its publicity has been dash. The film itself is intelligent, well acted, handsomely produced and altogether dash. तो यहाँ पे A is the correct answer, which is tasteless and respectable. So come to the next page, and number 9 is it takes dash character to dash the extremities of the Arctic region. तो यहाँ पे C is the correct answer, which is Spartan negotiate. Now come to the next portion, and which is antonyms. In each of the following antonym question, a word printed in capital letters produces 4 or 5 lettered word or phrases. From these 5 letters word or phrases, pick the one most nearly opposite in the meaning to the capitalized letter. So abbreviation का जो एक्सपेक्टेड वर्ड है वो है बी एक्सपेंड. नंबर 11 इज़ ब्लूमिंग, उसका एक्सपेक्टेड कीज़ ए है फेडिंग. नंबर 12 इज़ ब्लिस, तो उसका एक्सपेक्टेड है डी सफरिंग. सो नंबर 13 इज़ बिविच एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ डिसेंचेंट. So come to the next portion, which is analogies, and each of the following analogies questions present a related pair of word linked by a column. 4 or 5 lettered pair of word follow the linked pair. Choose the lettered pair of the word whose relationship is more like the relationship expressed in the original linked pair. So number 14 is book read. A is the correct answer, which is ornament apply. And number 15 is suspicion faith. Number C is the correct answer, rule serve. Number 16 is incline compartment. Number C needle thread. Number 14 is education school, and expected key is production factory. So come to the reading comprehension. So read the passage carefully once and detect its theme. Note what the questions are above. Answer the questions. Passage question number 18 to 20. And the purpose of education is to make the student expert in its subject. This must be clear, understood, and mere mudding through lessons and lectures and books and passing examination and relegated to secondary importance as meanings to and rich is excellence in the field chosen, but there is so many fields and no man can be become an expert in all the fields. It is necessarily to decide which field are the important one that a man should know well. It is clear that one's own work is the important. This has been released and modern civilization has accordingly provide vocational educational. It is now possible to acquire high professional skill in the various field medicine, engineering, production and commerce and so on, but with good and bad mixed together and no standard for guidance. So number 18 is the purpose of education is to make the student dash. So first you try yourself and then you will match your questions answers with this video. So here is number 18. Expected answer is B, an expert in his subject. Number 19 is what according to the writer in the end. So here is A is the correct answer, which is excellence in the field of chosen. Number 20, the modern civilization has provided. So here is A again correct answer, which is vocational education. Come to the next portion, and which is subject oriented test. What was the portfolio of Liaquat Ali Khan in the interim cabinet in 1946? तो यहाँ पे C is the correct answer, which is finance minister. Number 22 is subcontinent was divided according to which plan? तो यहाँ पे B is the correct answer, which is Independence Act 1947. Number 23 is who translated Quran in Persian in subcontinent first? तो यहाँ पे A is the correct answer, which is Hazrat Shah Waliullah. Number 24 is when State Bank of Pakistan is inaugurated? तो यहाँ पे 1st July C 1948 is the correct answer. Number 25 is Firdausi and Al-Biruni came in subcontinent during the region of? तो यहाँ पे D is the correct answer, which is Mahmud Ghaznavi. Number 26 is first viceroy under the crown in the subcontinent is? तो यहाँ पे C is the correct answer, which is Lord Canning. Number 27 is the total tax revenue target for the fiscal year 2004 to 5 has been projected 8. तो यहाँ पे B is the correct answer, which is 580 billions. 28 number is agriculture contributes to the correct gross domestic production GPD and of Pakistan around? तो यहाँ पे A is the correct answer, which is 27%. Number 29 is edible oil is Pakistani major import item. Which of the following step is more pragmatic to reduce its import? So 2 option is the next paper and 2 option is the here, and the correct answer is D, to encourage farmer to grow flowers. And number 30 is which place of Balochistan is famous for the pistachio nuts? And number D is the correct answer, which is Qila Saifullah. Number 31 is which of the following statement is not true or in Pakistan? So here B is the correct answer, which is expenditure on education is a proportional or to GNP in 1.2%. So number 32 is according to the World Bank report, the percentage of people living below poverty level in Pakistan are? So B is the correct answer, which is 35%. Number 33 is in fact mortality rate in 1000 live births in Pakistan is? So again A is the correct answer, which is 82. Number 34 is government of Pakistan has again certain incentives to grow black tea on experimental basis to the farmers of? तो यहाँ पे B is the correct answer, which is Manshera. Now number 35 is the ratio of male and female population is equal in? तो यहाँ पे D is the correct answer, which is Rawalpindi. Which Sahabi is called the Babul Ilm? तो again A is the correct answer, which is Hazrat Ali Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha. Number 37 is how many Muslims were martyred in the Ghazwa Tabuk? So the correct option is B, 200. Number 38 is Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh came to Lahore for preaching of Islam in 1039 AD from? Again number B is the correct answer, which is Ghazni. Number 39 is what duty is performed by Angel Michael? Number B is again answer correct, which is in charge of protection and also to bring the rains. Number 40 is the holy book Torah was revealed to? Number B is the correct answer, which is Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Number 41 is what is the main objective of zakat in an Islamic state? Number B is the correct answer, which is assistance of poor and the needy. Number 42 is identify the person upon whom zakat may be bestowed. So D is the correct answer, which is all of above. Number 43 is how many verses of Surah Al-Alaq were first revealed on the Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatamun Nabeen. Number C is the correct answer, which is 5. Number 44 is Bismillah is the beginning of every surah expected. Number D, Surah Tawbah is the correct answer. Number 45, where did Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatamun Nabeen perform Hajjatul Wida? Number D is the correct answer, which is 631 AD. Number 46 is Warqa bin Nofil was. Number D is the Christian. Number 47 is which surah of Quran was last to be revealed? Surah Nasr. Number D is the correct answer. Number 48 is what were the number of matriarchs of Ahad? Number B is the correct answer, which is 70. Number 49 is relation between Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatamun Nabeen and Abu Jahl was. A is the correct answer, which is uncle from father side. And number 50 is 1 meter is equal to, तो यहाँ पे B is the correct answer, 10^3 millimeter. So this is the part 1 and which cover the 15 MCQs of this paper, and next 15 MCQs I will upload the next video on next day. So I hope you like the video, enjoy this video, and this video will be helpful for those students who are appearing in TGT. So from my side, wish you all the best for the test, and never forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching. Tata, Allah Hafiz.